still prefer the FH3, but it really does look well, Rolls FH4.
It's quite a proud day for me, this, really. Like running 2 out for a bit of a run.
Well, it is nice, especially when we get some tracking shots of them.
It will be great, won't it?
I'm very looking forward to that, Kev.
Do you reckon a windscreen is for this? And the only reason I asked is when I first bought this, I had a cracked windscreen and I had to replace it. So I'm gonna say over 12.
You
what, 1,200 quid?
Yeah.
You reckon? Miles out.
Miles out.
Miles out. 250 quid.
Jeez.
For a windscreen. You won't believe it, would you?
No, you
Such
wouldn't.
A big piece of glass, 250 quid.
I mean, I was in a Magnum a few years back, and the chap said that it had been hit by a pheasant twice when we were going up Scotland.
Right.
And when you're in one of them, you can't believe how big the windscreen really is.
Yeah.
But like Anthony says, you'll get used to it.
He's a nice lad, isn't he?
Oh, he is. He was the guy who gave me my very first break in.
Really?
22nd of June, 2013.
Yeah, I go riding with him.
SLT,
right,
which were quite nice. I never got an interview with him though that day, so we're hoping to go to Yard one Saturday. Hopefully have a little trip out in it and then get an interview with him. Get some tracking shots. For years.
Closed down, hasn't it? Years and years ago, like. You get a lot of urban exploring going on in there and stuff, don't you?
Oh, I've always wanted to get my foot in the door with that.
I can't imagine.
Especially around old airfields.
Yeah.
I was looking up a power station near Lockerbie yesterday, and I was really surprised because you can just tell by the old concrete that it's an old airfield.
Right,
and
I'll tell you what we'll do on the way back.
Yeah.
We'll let Josh get in front of us.
Oh yeah.
And then